Welcome back to Helper Dad. Today, we're going to explore how to draw use case diagrams in Lucidchart. A use case diagram is a visual representation of system interactions, showing actors, use cases, and the relationships between them. Lucidchart is an excellent choice for creating these diagrams because it's a collaborative platform with an easy-to-use interface and an extensive shape library. Start by setting up Lucidchart. First, navigate to the Lucidchart website and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, click on New or Plus Document and choose either a blank document or a use case diagram template to get started. Now, let's identify the actors in your system. An actor represents an external entity that interacts with the system, such as a person, another system, or an organization. To add actors, simply drag and drop the actor shape from the shape library onto your canvas and label it appropriately, for example, customer or admin. Actors are typically placed outside the system boundary and arranged logically in relation to the use cases. We need to identify the use cases. A use case represents a specific goal that an actor wants to achieve. It describes a single interaction with the system. Drag and drop the oval shape, which represents a use case, onto the diagram and label it clearly, like Place Order or Manage Inventory. To connect actors to use cases, use association lines, which are straight lines, to illustrate which actor initiates each use case. We will define relationships between use cases. An include relationship represents mandatory behavior called by a base use case. It's shown with a dashed arrow labeled include, pointing from the base use case to the included use case. For example, place order, include, verify payment. An extend relationship represents optional behavior that extends a base use case under specific conditions. It's shown with a dashed arrow labeled extend, from the extending use case to the base use case, like place order, extend. Apply discount code. You can also add generalization, which represents an actor or use case inheriting characteristics from a more general one, using a solid line with a closed arrowhead pointing to the generalized actor or use case. Defining the system boundary is also important, as it delineates the scope of the system and encloses all the use cases. To create the system boundary in Lucidchart, use the rectangle shape. Resize and position it to encompass all your use cases, and then label the system boundary, for instance, Online Ordering System. Finally, you can customize the appearance of your diagram by changing colors, fonts, and line styles to ensure readability and clarity. Lucidchart also offers excellent collaboration features, allowing you to share the document with collaborators, add comments and feedback, and even edit in real time. To wrap up, remember the key steps we've covered, and I encourage you to practice and explore all of Lucidchart's features. Start creating your use case diagrams today. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.